In this video, I'm going to show you how I made $245 just by promoting affiliate links on Pinterest using free traffic. So for beginners, I'm going to share with you step by step how we can sign up to affiliate websites step by step, and I'm going to make this video super easy and simple for you guys. I'm going to share with you which affiliate links you should promote on Pinterest if you want to earn commission, because you cannot promote any affiliate links. You need to choose specific affiliate links that people are searching for. Okay, and I'm gonna share with you which affiliate links you can promote. And as you can see over here in my balance, it's showing $0 because I withdraw all my money to my PayPal account. And as you can see over here, it's paid. Okay, so let's get started. So for people who are new to this Pinterest affiliate marketing business, what you need to do first is you need to go to Google and you need to search for Fiverr. Okay, first click on the first link over here, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process to Fiverr is super easy and simple. This is the first step that you need to do. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one on Fiverr. Okay, so what you will do, you just need to come to this page and you need to scroll down like this. Okay, so just scroll down and you should see over here community. Okay, go to community and click over here on affiliate. Okay, you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website, as you can see over here. So what you need to do is you just need to join this Fiverr affiliate website. Okay, it's really easy and simple. I'm going to show you how you can do it step by step. If you scroll down, you should see over here join now. But let's scroll down. You should see again see commission. Let me show you how much you will earn for each service you will promote. Look at this. It's up to $115. If just one person buy a service from your affiliate link, you can earn up to $115. That's really a lot of money. Okay, so to join Fiverr affiliate, click on join now. And as you can see, the sign up process to Fiverr affiliate is really super easy and simple. So you just need to put your first name, last name, email address, username, password, account type, make it private. You will answer a few questions and you need to choose your country, choose your language, and you need to put your Skype here. If you don't have Skype, just click on next and follow next few questions, and that's it. Anyone can sign up. It will take just few minutes. Okay, after you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one on Fiverr affiliate. Okay, so what you need to do next, let me show you. You need to go back to your home page on Fiverr. Okay, go back to your home page on Fiverr and which service you should promote on Pinterest. So now I'm going to share with you which service you need to promote on Pinterest if you want to earn commission. Click on the search for Facebook ads. Okay, search for Facebook ads. Okay, I want you to pay attention in this step. So why I choose this Facebook ads service? Because people who are using Pinterest, they are using Pinterest to promote their products or their business. Okay, so they will be interested to use this service. So if they see this service on Pinterest, they will be interested to give it a try to promote their business and their product. There are people who are promoting their product, digital product, physical products. A lot of people are using Pinterest to promote their product and their business. So that's why I choose this one. Okay, so I want you to pay attention. Always make sure to choose good sellers. Choose sellers that has a lot of reviews. Choose sellers like top rated seller, level 1 seller, level 2 seller. If people click on your affiliate link and they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission, if that makes sense. Okay, so for example, let's choose one of those sellers. I'm gonna choose, okay, let me see, I'm gonna choose this one. This one is top rated seller. Click on his service like this and you will be directly in his Fiverr profile page like this. Okay, what you need to do next is you need to copy his profile link. Copy his profile link and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. Click on marketing tools, click on default and dip links, and click over here and put this seller link here like this. Click over here again, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. What you need to do is you just need to copy this link from here, and you need to go to Pinterest. Okay, so let's go to Pinterest to promote this affiliate link on Pinterest. So for people who are new to Pinterest and they don't know how to start, just go to Google, search for Pinterest, and sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is really super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one. Okay, it's really easy and simple. And make sure to choose business account, not personal account. Open business account. After you finish, this will be your home page. Click on home feed, click on home feed, click on create pin, and you will be directly in this page over here. So what you need to do is you need to upload your picture. So how you can do this? Go back to this seller page on Fiverr that you are using his link, and click on his picture like this. Let me see if I can find a good picture. Okay, you can also use video. I'm gonna use this one. Save image. I'm gonna name it Facebook. Okay, Facebook ads. Save. Go to Pinterest, click over here and upload your picture. Okay. And here you go. Scroll down, put your affiliate link here like this, and you need title and description. Okay, so how you can find the title and description? Go back to the seller page and you can use his title and description. You are just an affiliate, you can use his information. Okay, I'm gonna go back to Pinterest, put this title over here, description. I will go back to his profile page. I will scroll down. You should see about this gig. This is his description. I'm gonna copy just this part to show you like this. Pinterest, put this description here, scroll down, click over here on choose board. Okay, so if you are new, click on create a board and create a board. You can create as many as you want, and you need just to give it a name, and that's it. It's really easy and simple. Then I already created those three. I'm gonna choose this one. Scroll down and you need to put here tags. Okay, go back to this seller page, scroll down, you should find tags here. Okay, let's see. Just keep scrolling down, you should see related tags. Copy those tags over here, go back to Pinterest and put those tags here. Okay, like this. Go back to Pinterest, go back to this seller page, Facebook video ads. I'm gonna copy this one. So use his tags here. Okay, it's really easy and simple. Paste. After you finish, click on publish, and your affiliate link will be published on Pinterest just in few seconds. It's really easy and simple, guys. That's how we can promote affiliate links on Pinterest and start making money with Pinterest affiliate marketing. It's a really easy and simple, guys. You don't need to invest any money. You can start with $0. You just need to give it a try, and you need to keep promoting your affiliate links. At least you should promote 5 affiliate links per day, so your chance to get commission will be high. Okay, as you can see, this is my picture and my affiliate link over here. Your affiliate link over here again, title, description, and that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you find this video helpful, leave a comment. If you have any question, leave it in the comments and I'm gonna answer all your questions. See you in my next video.